Hello, if you want to find voicemail settings on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you need to open the phone app. Then you need to find these three dots. It can be over here in the top right corner or closer to the middle. Once you select it, then go to settings. In the settings, what you need to do is find voicemail. In my case, it is over here. So once you go over here, you should be able to find the service provider. And if for some reason your operator provides different service providers, then of course you can change it over here. You can also set up the voicemail number. In order to get the voicemail number, you can just type the voicemail number of your operator on Google or something, and you should be able to easily find it. And of course you can also change the notifications over here, like the sound, vibrations, and so on and so forth. And if you want to call the voicemail in order to set it up or to do some changes to it, you can go to the keypad and then press and hold 1 on the keypad. If you hold it for like 2 seconds or 3, you should be able to call your voicemail. Keep in mind that the voicemail number needs to be set up correctly in order to make it work. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!